Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the top stocks to buy in March 2021. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, feel free to like this video. Some of these guys are larger ones, so more can learn about investing in finance. First stock on the list is called Corsair Gaming. So this company is based in America and they sell gaming hardware. Let's see what products they sell. So they sell keyboards, they sell headsets, so they also sell streaming gear such as stream decks and game captures. They also sell PC parts such as cases and RAM, so it's really good. So do you think the business model is really good? Gaming industry is growing. More people want to make a living playing video games. So this is a great company where people can get their streaming gear, their gaming gear such as headsets. So it's really good. So just in my opinion, when I think about the top provider for gaming hardware, I think about Corsair. So I do see this company growing the next few years. So we're now going to look at the Q4 2020 results. So in 2019, December 31, they had roughly 1.1 billion in net revenue. But in 2020, December 31, they had 1.7 billion in revenue. There's some really good numbers. They also increased their gross profit. So in 2019, they had 224 million, and then in 2020 they had 465 million. So that is also good. This is, oh my god guys, this is really good. In 2019 they had a net loss of 8.3 million, but in 2020 they actually had a 103 million gain in net income. So that is a positive growth. So this just shows where the revenue is coming from. So you see majority is from components and systems. Gaming components and system is in hot demand. We're now going to look at the balance sheet. 2020 they had total assets of 1.3 billion, so it's good. Down here they have total liabilities of nearly 900 million. So they have more assets than liabilities, which is a good thing. So they cleared up their debt. They cleared 2 million debt, so now they don't have any short-term debt. You can see they still have long-term debt of 321 million. I'm not too worried about this because they're still making money, and over time I do think they're going to pay this off. So we're now going to look at some analysts' price target. So look at this, they have an average price target of $49.43, so it's really good. That's a 52.56% upside from its current price. They have a high of $55 and a low of $44, so it's really good because the low is above the current price. So that is some good news. They have 6 buys, 1 hold and 0 sales, so that's also really good. So don't invest based on this analyst. If you believe in the company, you believe in their fundamentals and believe in the future, then invest for what they are, not based on what these analysts say. So with that being said, we're going to look at what some large institutions are doing with this stock. See, today we have 2 large institutions who are increasing their positions. So we have here BKSC and Cloud Alpha, so it's really good. We can see many institutions are loading up on the stock. I don't see any institutions selling their shares. So they're up 1.4% on a day. On the week they're down 5%. A month they're down 20%. On the year they're still up 75%. So now we're going to look how I would invest $1,000 into the stock. So I'd average down and split my money into 4s and strike on 4 separate days with some strike prices. So I'm going to put my first $250 on the stock no matter the price, because we believe in this long term. Then Tuesday, if this drops to 31.50 cents, I'll put my next $250 on that. Let's say we say it drops to $30, I'll put my next $250 on this. Then on Thursday this drops to $28, I put my last $250 on this. And when that drops below, but we'd have cash on hand to buy the dip. We always got to expect a dip. We never know when a stock is going to go down or when it's going to go up, so that's why you got to be prepared. I do think this could reach easily $65 a share to at least $200, 5 years. It's my opinion. Next stock on the list is called Twitter, TWTR. So this is a social network company, so everyone knows about Twitter. So the reason I recommend this stock is because we have this news article. Twitter shares soar after the company announced its plan to double revenue by end of 2023. So Twitter said they would have 315 million monetizable daily active users by the end of 2023. That is just in 2 more years, so it's really good. So we're going to look at the revenues. We're going to look at this column right here. 2020 they had 3.7 billion in revenue compared to 2019, which was only 3.4 billion. We're just briefly going to go through their balance sheet. So you can see in 2020 they had total assets of 13 billion. They have total liabilities of 5.4 billion. They have more assets than their liabilities, which is a good thing. I'm gonna buy this on Monday, no matter the price, and invest how much you can. So on Monday, I would put my whole $1,000 onto this because we believe in this long term. We're not trying to time this in the market. Then after you buy in, if this drops to below $55, feel free to average down. The next stock on the list is called Rocket Companies. So the ticker symbol RKT. This is a personal finance company based in the United States. We can see the headquarters is in Michigan. For example, one of their services are called Rocket Mortgage. So that was my whole talk on top stocks to buy in March 2021. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, feel free to like this video so my videos get to larger ones so more can learn about investing in finance.